how to pay with Klarna on Flight Club. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll teach you how you can pay with Klarna on Flight Club. And here is how to go about it. First of all, login into your Flight Club account. And also, I must let you know that not every user of the Flight Club website is eligible to use Lana. This is because only US residents are eligible to use Lana to make payment on Flight Club. Okay, so if you fall into this category, just go ahead and select the item that you would like to purchase. Okay, so for me, I selected Hair Jordan WWNS sneakers, and so after selecting it, I are brought to the details page, the product page. You can check out the different pictures of the sneakers to see if it's in good quality, and then go ahead and select the size that you want. And then by the time you scroll down on this page, you can see a write up which says pay in interest free payments with Lana, Affirm, or Afterpay. And then you can see the learn more option. So by clicking on learn more, you can now see the title or the first write up here, which says pay over time US only. All right. So if you fall into this category, this option would be available for you on the checkout page. So if you are in the US and you want to pay with Lana, just go ahead and click on the amount. Then move to the bottom part, click on checkout in the box displayed, and then you'll be taken to the next page. So on this page, enter in your shipping address, your shipping method, and then scroll down and click on other payments method. Now for you, you will see the other options like Lana, Affirm, and Afterpay being displayed here. If you are in the US, you'll see it here. So just select Lana, and then you'll be asked to enter in your details and all of that. Enter it in, then click on place your order, and then once you've done that, the instrumental payment will begin, and you'll be able to get this particular item through the use of Lana. So that is it. All right, so if you want to make use of Lana, ensure you watch this video and ensure you try it out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.